Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope that you well. I am also by the greatest Amadev creator. Right now I'm gonna share with my feelings, and this feeling is very happy. Today I gonna share with my younger sister, and she is my lavish person, and she is none other than she is Tony Roy. You can see, and she is Tony Roy. Tony, how are you?
I'm fine.
She is my younger brother. Right now I ask her some question, and this question is very important for our learning English. Okay, may I ask you some question?
Yes.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, why learning English is essential?
English is an international language. English plays an important role in education. Without knowing this language, we will remain in darkness.
Okay, why it is called international language?
It is called international language because it is spoken all over the world. International meetings are always held in English. For instance, the International Olympic Committee, SHARC, FIFA arrange their meetings in English.
Okay, how it helps international community?
It helps the international community and the business world. It helps different countries to strengthen their relations with other countries.
Okay, why are you interested to learn English?
I am interested to learn English because English plays an important role in education. Books of higher education are usually written in English. For admission in any foreign university, English is essential. So a learner must need to learn English.
Okay, where and what occasion English is used must?
English is a precondition for a good job and handsome salary. Companies look for those employees who are expert in speaking, writing, and reading English.
Please talk the importance of English in modern technology.
It is impossible to know without science and technology without knowing English. A good operator of computer must know English. For sending email, we must learn English.
Yeah, definitely. Give you advice for others that they are want to learn English.
The importance of this language cannot be described in words. We must learn this language at any cost. Without knowing this language, we will remain in darkness. Our country will be isolated from the whole world. Overall, development is not possible without this language. So all should be interested to learn this English.
থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ। তোমাকে আমার চ্যানেলের পক্ষ থেকে এবং আমার পেজের পক্ষ থেকে তোমাকে অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ। তুমি আমাকে সময় দিয়েছো। আশা করি ভবিষ্যতে তুমি আরো ভালো কিছু করবে এবং দর্শকরা আপনারা যে যেখান থেকে দেখছেন আপনাদেরকে ধন্যবাদ। আর এই ছোট্ট মেয়েটার জন্য আপনারা আমার ছোট বোনটির জন্য আপনারা অবশ্যই আশীর্বাদ করবেন যাতে সে ভালো কিছু জীবনে করতে পারে এবং তার পরিবারের এবং সমাজের নাম উজ্জ্বল করতে পারে। তো ধন্যবাদ। সি ইউ অ্যাগেন।